Hello and welcome. Our toes are our foundation for walking and every yoga pose we do. I'm Dina, and in today's gentle flow, we're going to give them special attention while we move the entire body so you can feel lighter and better supported from the ground up. So let's begin. Let's start today in Savasana. So we're starting on our mat. On our backs, place the hands by your side and close your eyes. And just notice how you feel. Feel the contact points with the mat. Feel how supported you are in this pose. Bring your attention to your breath. As you inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Notice your legs and how they feel. And gently from this pose, without moving anything else, just start to extend your toes further, extending the ankle, moving the toes, extending the left ankle, moving the toes, and just try to move them together or separately. Just observe how do they feel today. Ankles, feet, toes. Two more breaths here. And one more. And then slowly, your own time, bend the knees and let's come up and find child's pose. So extend your arms in front of your knees as wide as the mat. Tuck your toes under for this child's pose. And let your chest go to your mat. Forehead or chin to the mat. And just stay here. Send the sit bones as back as you possibly can. And just here, stay here for 2 more breaths. And one more. And then slowly come onto your palms and knees. Send the sit bones back and up. And let's find our first downward facing dog. Shake the head, pedal the feet. And do any movement that feels good right now. Now stop at the center, raise the right leg up, extend the leg as much as you can. Bend the knee and place the foot in between your palms. Press through the balls of the back leg and raise up to a crescent lunge. Just 2 breaths here. And one more. Now lower the back heel to the mat and remain with your torso in front of you for warrior 1. And just feel your toes and the soles of your feet into this pose. How do they feel? How grounded they are? 2 more breaths. One more. Now open the torso to the left, extend the arms at shoulder level, gaze towards the right palm for warrior 2. Push through the edge of the back leg to ground this pose from down to up. 2 more breaths here. Now extend the front leg, shorten a bit the stance between the legs, the distance. Spread the fingers to the side. Inhale, extend, make space in the spine and let the right hand fall where is comfortable for you. So it can be on the knee, on the shin, on the ankle or in front of your leg. Stay here for 3 more breaths. Inhale for 1. 2 and 3. Now slowly bend slightly the front leg. Place the hands to frame the front leg. Extend the leg back and let's find downward facing dog. Pedal the feet, shake the head. Stop at the center, raise the left leg up as much as you can, create space. Bend the knee and place the foot in between your palms. Stay on the ball of the back leg and raise up to crescent lunge. Just 3 breaths here. 2 more. And 1 more. Lower the back heel down. Remain with your torso in front of the mat for warrior 1. Just feel how grounded your legs feel in this position. 2 more breaths. And 1 more. Now open the hips to the side, extend your arms at shoulder level and find warrior 2. Gaze towards the left palm. Push through the edge of the back leg to give you more support into this pose and breathe here. One more breath. Now extend the left leg, shorten a bit the stance between the distance between the legs. Extend the arms, make space and let the left arm or palm put wherever is natural for you. So it may be on the knee, on the shin, on the ankle or in front of the leg. Extend the right arm up and gaze towards the right palm for triangle pose, Trikonasana. Feel your legs in this pose. Notice how grounded they are. Notice any sensations. 2 more breaths here. And 1 more. Good. Now slowly bend the front knee. Place the hands to frame the front leg. Send the leg back and let's find downward facing dog. Pedal the feet. Shake the head. Now bend the knees and step or easy hop with your legs on the mat. Place the sit bones down. Extend the legs. And let's find Dandasana staff pose. Place the palms by the side of your hips. Engage your legs and raise the heels of the mat. 5 breaths here. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Let the legs fall, the heels fall to the mat and start to wiggle your toes. Good. Now catch the big toe with your hands. Inhale, lengthen, extend your spine, make space, and exhale, fold over your legs. For Paschimottanasana, you can stay here if that's more accessible. Try to fold as much as possible. On each inhalation, extend the spine, create as much space as possible. And with each exhalation, see if you can move into that space. 3 more breaths. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly come up, gaze forward, exhale here. And then release your legs and let's come onto our backs. Lay on your back. Bring your knees to your chest for 1 second. And then catch again the big toes. Open the hips and let your knees fall to the side for happy baby. And it is mandatory to smile in this happy baby. Maybe rock side to side. A few more breaths here. Stop at the center, 2 more breaths. Push the knees as low as possible without forcing. And when you're ready, hug your knees to your chest. 1 more time, thanking them for today's practice. And then extend the legs onto the mat and let's find Savasana, the same pose we've had at the beginning of the practice. Let your arms to the side, palms facing up. Let your feet and toes fall to your side. Release any tension. Feel the contact points with your mat. Just observe how do you feel right now. Let everything go. You're not controlling your breath. You just let her find the natural rhythm. You can stay in Shavasana for longer if you have the time. But if you choose to come out of it, just follow me and start to wiggle your fingers, your toes. Bring gentle movement to your elbows, your wrists, your ankles. Extend your arms overhead and stretch as if after a deep sleep. Then bring your knees to your chest and let them fall to your favorite side. And when you're ready, come up slowly into a comfortable seated position. Place the palms onto your knees, close your eyes as you've reached here. And just notice how you feel right now. How are your legs, your body, your mind? And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for choosing to practice with me today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and please let me know in the comments how did you feel after today's practice. I wish you an amazing rest of the day. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love. Namaste.